Hi girls, there are many people in South Africa that do not have face masks to keep safe during this time. The Serviam Angels have made a video to show you just how easy it is to make a face mask at home and make a difference. There will be a box at security where you can drop off these masks in a Ziploc bag by the 20th of June. We encourage everyone to take part in this initiative and help stop the spread of COVID-19. Proverbs chapter 11 verse 25 says, "A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." We encourage you to remember this Bible verse as we go through a season of uplifting people affected by the virus. The Serviam Angels hope that you are all keeping safe and healthy during this time. And don't forget to reach, connect and serve, even at home.
Hi girls! In order to stop the spread of the coronavirus and further play our part in helping others,
the Serviam Angels have a great initiative that we would love for you to take part in.
Wearing a mask, even a simple one, made from cloth, can help stop the spread of COVID-19.
Today we will be making a face mask, one that you do not have to sew.
We'll be collecting these face masks up until the 20th of June.
First you'll need a scarf, bandana or any type of material, even an old t-shirt.
Make sure it's about 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters and you need just 2 hairbands or elastics.
Step 1. Fold your piece of material in half.
Step 2. Take one long end and fold it to the middle. Take the other long end and fold it to the middle as well, making sure they meet in the middle.
Step 3. You flip it over and do it all again.
Taking the 2 long sides, fold it into the middle, and then take the opposite side and fold it into the middle, making sure they meet.
Or you can then take your elastics and slip them 12 centimeters over the end.
Likewise, put the other elastic on the other side, also 12 centimeters from the end.
Thereafter, you're going to take the 2 edges and tuck them towards the middle. Then, you're going to fold them into one another. You're going to then put your face mask on and clip it over your ears like so. The Serviam Angels hope that you stay safe and healthy.
COVID-19 has left millions of people in the world hungry, and in South Africa, thousands are going without food on a daily basis. I encourage you to join in on the Serviam Committee's initiative to provide grocery packs to people in Diepsloot. There will be a list sent out with this video of what each grade needs to bring. Please may you drop off your items at security by the 30th of June. Girls, you'll be making a big impact and uplifting those in need during this time.